This is a 59 Edsel Ranger 2-door hardtop. Extremely nice in shape. Very nice car. It's got a beautiful interior inside. This one was built in Louisville, Kentucky.
Glitching and splashing, moving and grooving.
Look at that shiny paint job.
Probably there in 1958. Now from 1957, here's the diamonds. We'll take a little stroll around the park today.
Beautiful car. Taillights on the 59 Edsel are left over from the 1958 Lincoln Continental. Ford wanted to cut costs every way they could. The Edsel was not a good seller, so they used leftover Continental taillights for the 59 Edsel this year. That's why when you look at a taillight and it says 58, it's actually off of a 58 Lincoln. Very nice.